Hello students, we have taken very special topic which is integration. Meaning of integration is to add something. Okay, so we start with the integration. If you want to study integration, you should have the knowledge of differentiation. So we start from the differentiation. Okay, so if I ask that what is the differentiation of f to the power n with respect to x, then you would say that this is going to be n f to the power n minus 1. If I ask that what is the differentiation of sin x, you would say that it is cos x. Okay, so sin x d of dx is, this is going to be cos x. Okay, and in a similar way you can tell me the differentiation of cos x, cot x, cosec x, and all the trigonometric or exponential and logarithmic function. Okay, so integration is little bit different. If the differentiation of f to the power n is equal to n f to the power n minus 1, then the reverse process of the differentiation is the integration. Now what I can say that the integration of n f to the power n minus 1 dx is going to be f to the power n. Okay, so reverse process of the differentiation is the integration, and this whole function is called the integrand. Okay, and this is the sign of integration, and in integration you have to put a constant c. Okay, if I find out the differentiation of x to the power n plus c, that's also going to be the same thing. Okay, so in indefinite integration we have to add a constant which is c. Okay, now if I want to replace it n by n plus 1, this is going to be n x to the power n dx is equal to f to the power n plus 1, and this is a constant number. Okay, so you can divide by the constant number, so it's going to be n plus 1. You can say this is c dash, so it's going to be c dash upon n plus 1, and finally it is going to be x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus, and this whole thing is a constant. Now you can give a special name which is c. Okay, so this is the formula. Basically you have to keep all this formula in your mind. Now come to the differentiation of the sin x, which is cos x. So I can say that the integration of cos x dx is going to be the sin x plus c. If I ask integration of tan x or differentiation of tan x divide dx of differentiation of the tan x, this is going to be the sec square x. In the similar way, the reverse process of this, which is integration of sec square x dx, is going to be what? Tan x plus c. Tan x plus c. In the similar way, we can take another example. We have taken sin x, cos x, tan x. We can take cosec, cot, all these examples. Okay, now we can take the a to the power x. Differentiation of a to the power x is what? This is a to the power x. Okay, so this is going to be a x log a. Okay, and the reverse of this, which is integration, that is a x log a dx, is going to be what? It is going to be a x plus, suppose that c dash, and you can divide it by log a, because log a is a constant, x is a variable, so it is going to be a to the power x dx is equal to divide by log a, so a x upon log a plus c dash upon log a, and I am giving a special name which is c. So in this way you have to keep all this formula in your mind. I can replace this a by e also, so integration of e x dx is going to be ex, and log e base c is going to be 1, so integration of ex is ex, differentiation of ex is ex. Okay, so these are some standard things that you have to keep in your mind. Without this you cannot solve. Okay, so always keep this right side in your note, write all these things, and if you doubt you can ask. Okay, now we are taking some example that how we can use this formula. Example number first, I am saying that tell me the integration of e to the power 3x dx. Just I'm taking very simple example. So you know that the integration of e to the power x is going to be e to the power x. But here we have to keep in mind that the coefficient of x is 3. So we have to divide by 3 plus c. So this is the simple integration. Now suppose I am taking example, suppose x to the power 2 and dx. What is the integration of this? You have to add 1 here, so x to the power 3 and divided by 3 plus c. So this is very simple thing, okay? This is the example number 2. Now go ahead and take some another example. Let's suppose I am saying that integration of you can take sine square x dx. It is little difficult, okay, but we can also discuss this thing also, okay. So just to explain this, okay. So you know the formula is cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. So sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Actually in integration we can differentiate all the function, but we cannot integrate all the function, okay. We always have this thing in our mind. We can only integrate the standard formula, okay. So sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and dx. So this is the constant number 1 by 2 come outside and 1 minus cos 2x and integration of this with respect to x. So this is constant number and the integration of constant is variable, that is x minus cos x, and you know the integration of cos x is sin x. So sin 2x. Here the coefficient of x is 2, so divide by 2, and this is the answer. In the similar way you can find out the integration of cos square x, sec square x, tan square x, and we use some trigonometric identities and functions, okay. So these are some basic example and we take many more examples to discuss this integration, okay. Thank you so much.